In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Profit Maximizer PMax in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is up on the screen, look toward the top of the page for the Indicators button. It's usually near the middle of the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When that window pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. This is where you can find almost any tool or script available on TradingView. Click directly on the search box so your cursor is active there, and then type in Profit Maximizer PMax. Take a moment to type it carefully so you get an exact match. As you start typing, TradingView will begin filtering the list of indicators below. Once you see Profit Maximizer PMax appear in the results, simply click on it one time. TradingView will automatically add it to your current chart. You should notice new lines, signals, or visual elements appear, depending on how Profit Maximizer PMax is designed. If nothing seems to show up, zoom out a bit or change your time frame to make sure the data is visible. Now that the indicator is on your chart, you can customize it if needed. To do that, hover over the name of the indicator at the top left of your chart, then click on the settings icon next to it. Inside the settings panel, you'll see different inputs and style options you can tweak to better match your trading strategy. Feel free to experiment with colors, line thickness, or any parameters the script allows, so it's easier for you to read at a glance. If you're using the free version of TradingView and you hit limits on how many indicators you can use, upgrading to TradingView Pro can make the experience much smoother. I have an affiliate link in the description that takes you directly to the TradingView Pro sign-up page. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you, and in many cases, there are promotions or discounts available through it. Once you upgrade, you'll be able to run more indicators at the same time, save more layouts, and generally get a cleaner, faster workflow when using tools like Profit Maximizer PMax. That's all you need to do to add Profit Maximizer PMax in TradingView Pro and get it up and running on your charts.